Ready to bring your documents to life? Welcome to Synthia, your AI-powered avatar assistant. So in this demo, I present a Streamlit application where you can provide your documents. It could be a PDF file, it could be a research paper or anything. And then you can basically talk to an AI avatar around this paper or even ask random questions. And you can talk to the avatar, and it feels much more natural rather than the monotonous chatting with the chatbot and getting text as output. This AI avatar is powered by HeyGen APIs, and as per the date of recording, which is today, there is no Python API for making the HeyGen API calls. So what I have done here is taking the HTML and JavaScript code and putting them inside a Python wrapper and making the API calls for doing live avatar streaming using HeyGen APIs, powered by 11 labs for the audio stuff. And for the question answering, I have been using the GPT-4o model for making the API calls. So let's go ahead and see this in action. So let's choose a document. Here I am choosing Attention is All You Need research paper by Google. Let's drag and drop this. So now we get to this screen where we can see the research paper is there on the left. Attention is all you need, and the transformer architecture. Let's go ahead and select an avatar. There are a lot of avatar options that are provided by the HeyGen API, but I'm just using three of those for demo purposes. Judy is a school teacher, Brian is a fitness coach, and Silas is a customer support specialist. So let's select Judy for this. So now we'll create a session, and once the session has been created, we'll then start the session. So we hit create session. So the session has been created. Let's click start session. Session has been started. So now once we hit start session, what we see is an avatar that looks alive. Eyes are blinking, the face is moving. So let's go ahead and ask some questions regarding this document. So the first question I want to ask is, I want to start with a question which would be around, say, summary of this paper. So let's summarize this paper. Summarize this paper in a few sentences. Let's submit this question. So what's happening behind the scenes is we take this question, we take the entire document as chunks, and we take the context out of that, and then we send that to the LLM to summarize the entire document. But we want to do it efficiently so that even if we ask some question that is related to a specific section, we only get the response from that specific section and don't have to go through the entire paper again and again.
The paper Attention is All You Need introduces the transformer, a novel neural network architecture that relies solely on attention mechanisms, eliminating the need for recurrence and convolution in sequence transduction models. The transformer uses an encoder-decoder structure with multi-head self-attention and feed-forward layers, achieving state-of-the-art results in machine translation tasks with reduced training time. Key
Sounds good.
innovations include multi-head attention and positional encodings. The transformer offers advantages such as improved parallelization and interpretability, and performs well in other tasks like English constituency parsing. The authors highlight the model's potential for broader applications and provide code for further research.
Sounds good, right? So this sounds pretty natural. It feels like I'm talking to a person in the front. I can chat to them using audio or using text interface, and I don't see any text output or like text chatbots and stuff. So let's go ahead and ask it a specific question. I want to maybe understand the concept of self-attention. So let's see if it can help me understand that. Help me understand the concept of self-attention mechanism as if I am 10.
The self-attention mechanism is like when you're in a room full of toys and you want to find your favorite toy. You look around and focus on the toys that are most interesting to you, ignoring the ones that aren't as important right now. In computers, self-attention helps them understand which words in a sentence are most important to pay attention to, just like you focus on your favorite toys. This helps computers understand and process language better.
Cool. And that's the demo. So you can play around with this, and the code is available in the GitHub. Um, Feel free to check it out and provide any feedback suggestions. Thanks.